Anybody with a photographic memory and the right tools can get them done themselves. Installation of a power divider kit. Here's a visual of what to expect. The key is to make sure everything is clean before installing. When resealing the housing, use an even layer of gray silicone. Underuse and overuse of silicone can cause future problems. Make sure input shaft seal is installed without damage. Always make sure to double check your work. When installing new joints, make sure it has no play.